Hello world, this is episode 4 of I Am the Best Female Rapper Alive. My name is Renita aka Chucky, and today I'm going to do something for the ladies. If you got that one guy who you love to death, but you know he doing him and you're doing you too, and it just is what it is, this song is for you. I gave him one kiss, yeah, now shorty wanna wife me. Gucci, Prada, baguette, yeah, that's how it's supposed to be. Come on, pop, stop. I ain't the type to settle down, but when it comes to G niggas, you know who wear the crown. Remember the first time when my eyes met yours? Man, you was like a dog standing on all fours. I ain't trying to be conceited or full of myself, but I collect and I finance and I stack your wealth. I'm that rare chick that nobody really sees, something like a fantasy or maybe a dream, cause when he down on his knees, taste peaches and cream. Ladies with them good cookies, man, you know what I mean. I don't wanna break your heart, but this is how it all starts. He made me who I am, man, he really left his mark. Cause I'm the type of chick that's gonna be here for a while, spinning y'all niggas dough while I'm watching Mom's pal. I know they like us, yet they still hate on us. They try hard, but now they can't taste us, cause we better than 31 flavors. All y'all chicks, man, they wanna date us, but right now we focused on our paper. I ask why, man, they still hate us. It's cause we better than 31 flavors. Don't get it twisted, cause shorty's far from a hoe, and I'm headed for success, so everything's about dough like Iverson. I'm cute and sick with it, MVP type. Shorty got game, make it spit it. I walk in the club, all eyes on me. I toot that thing up, man, as if it was for Huey. Looking around, got shorty right where I want him, and he's a baller man, so you know that I'ma call him. But please don't get hype or take this for serious. Just remember, Pa, business is business. Ladies out there, yeah, stay on your grind, and they say that money talk, that's why I stay on mine. Chicks is players too, yeah, I know you hate it. This woman that you see is the monster he created. I wanna thank shorty, you made me a better person. Got the same heart now, just a bulletproof version. Oh, I was about to go in on the chorus again for y'all, but yeah, it just is what it is. So what can I say? Basically, stay tuned and subscribe to me, because there's more to come. This is not the end. It is not over. You will be seeing me on national television. So subscribe. See you guys tomorrow. I love you. Mwah.